We acknowledged in the meeting the relationship between crops and livestock, how they are complementary. It is important that the animals get good quality feed. And some of the feed comes from the dual purpose crops, some of your legumes, and some of your dual purpose sorghum or maize, where the crop residues are fed into animals. So it is important then that these crops are of high quality. And also we know that livestock contributes manure to fertilize the soils. So these two commodities are together and they complement each other very well. We're asking the bank to support us as we do our research and development using some of the advanced genomic tools, which helps us then to identify which are some of these crops that are adapted to the harsh environments, the climatic change. We are identifying through our gene banks, identifying those crops that may be the forages that can help us mitigate or meet the future challenges in climate change. We also here, using again the same advanced genomic solutions, we would like to do a bit in the animal health sector, where we'll be developing diagnostic tools that can help us detect animal diseases quicker and therefore come up with a quick responsive systems. So how can we better support the surveillance systems in the animal health sector in Africa? So these are some of our discussions and asks today. The other key pillar in animal production is the genetics. So we are looking for livestock genetics that can withstand the heat stress and still be able to produce. Again, we are using advanced genomic tools to identify those genetics. So the key three pillars, animal health, livestock genetics, and animal feed. We're looking at ways of how can we support the industry. But we're also saying for us to scale this, we need to partner better. We're looking at ways of working better with the private sector in this case, how we can equip or support some of the diagnostic laboratories, veterinary laboratories across the continent as we work together through these diagnostic tools.